Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Let's do another trimming video today. Get our tools all laid out here. Kind of a breezy day today. I'll give my hood cover a tuck here to keep it in place. Alright, so we are using our WRD Pro Scrapers with the Stingray blades. Also have one of their flat blades with the rolled edges. This is nice for cutting and not scratching the hell out of the paint job. That doesn't mean they're perfect. Still have to pay attention to what you're doing, because you can still damage the paint with the angles you use. So this one's actually pretty clean, all things considered. Doesn't require a really heavy spraying, so we'll skip the spray and just wipe the dust away here. And the Stingray blade is real nice for down these pillars. You can see how it just rolls and rides that edge all the way down and doesn't take the paint off of that inside edge. Finish our bottom edge there. Switch sides. Inside's a little bit dirtier and a little more stuck, so clean this side out real well here. That's better. Give this a trim. You see, the factories are not perfect. You see, they almost wound up with a water leak there with their guide pin. Again, you can see how that blade rides that edge right there. Real nice. Doesn't dig into the paint. A bit of a wet spot down here from that. Get this up here, another little touch up, make sure we're all nice and clean. And that is our WRD Pro Scraper with the Stingray. Didn't need the flat blade today. And rolled up, cleaned up, and get this shot and set. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.